Hello again, everyone. So there may be a time in your divorce case or your custody case you might not be happy with your lawyer. Heck, people have been unhappy with me. Hi, my name is attorney Anthony Spratley. I'm the owner and founder of Genus Law Group, where we practice family and custody law throughout the state of New Mexico. Now, why would I say that sometimes they aren't happy with me? You probably have friendships out there that, like through time, you've developed a relationship with them of trust and understanding with them, and you're going to be a lifelong friend of that person for sure. You might have that same relationship with your attorney, maybe not. Who knows, right? Because when you are trying to develop a relationship with your attorney, you're doing it, one, either through a referral, or maybe you found that person online where a lot of people find me, and you have to develop trust between you and the attorney. Sometimes that takes time, sometimes that trust never materializes. And sometimes during the case, maybe you lose that trust or confidence in that attorney, and you decide that maybe it's time to change course, it's time to get a new attorney. That's completely up to you if that's something that you decide to do. It's not unusual to change attorneys. I have represented folks that have gone through 3 attorneys before hiring me, and I'm able to get the job done for them. Sometimes I can't even get the job done for them even as their 4th attorney, right? So you have to make sure that when you decide to look for an attorney, you need to find one that one won't tell you what you want to hear, right? And 2, you need to be receptive to what they have to say. Because if you're not going to be receptive to what they have to say and you only want to hear what you want to hear, you're not going to be happy with your representation. And so usually what it means, if you decide that you do not want to listen to your attorney, that means that you don't trust their advice, and you probably won't be happy with them, and you will want to move on to another attorney. And it's not unusual for that to happen when folks are on attorney number 2, 3, or 4. And so it takes a lot. It's a big decision when you decide to move to another attorney, because you essentially have to get the new attorney back on board with and keep them updated on what the status of your case, and they have to get up to speed, and there's that additional cost. And I know that's why a lot of folks want to hang on with their attorney as long as they can to see if they can right the ship, but sometimes it can't be. And sometimes you're in a relationship with an attorney that you just can't stand. You feel like your case isn't moving or progressing fast enough, and you just want to get out and find someone new, and that's fine. And so you are not stuck with the attorney that you're currently with. You can always switch attorneys if you want to. In the process, actually, if you have an ongoing case, it's pretty simple to switch out attorneys with the court. They just can't stop your case and not represent you. There has to be an order in court if there's a filed court case allowing that attorney to leave the case. All right, folks, if you need any further information on switching out attorneys in the middle of your case, you can also find out more content at our website, and you can also find out more family law content related to your case at the Apple Podcast at our Protect Your Success podcast. Thank you.